atake. NLEX goes to Ramirez. Off the window, derechahan Brandon Ramirez with the first 2 of the game.
Paano yun, Hindi ko.
Buyang. Diyan niya ipinukul kanina. Ganon din ang resulta.
6 points. 2 3-point shot. Ang bilis.
Ano mas importante, Doc?
Scoring? Or
Yung 2-3 na o yung 2 foul na nakuha niya?
2 foul na kuha niya.
Last 3 minutes na ng laro nung siya'y nakapasok. Ngayon, immediately, he knocks down a 3. Automatic, Doc, para dito. He attacks Mangandi, Policarpio. No, Watkins again, took it away.
Oh!
One more time, Mike Watkins.
Wala nang alalay. Puro dunk ang ginawa niya.
Mike Watkins is not a nice guy, Doc. Might be nice to his teammate. The turnaround jumper doesn't work. Balunggay! With a follow-up jam, pabandang tira. Basta na-follow-up niya. Tio, in traffic, took the contact, gets the basket, may kasama pang foul.
He made the decision to go to the basket at the last second. Naghanap siya papasahan, wala eh.
Inside to Muyang, he's got 8.
Walang score si Alejandro pero ang daming ginagawa niya para sa kanyang kupunan.
Matindi yung pagkakapasok dito ni JJ Alejandro, forcing a 30-second timeout on NLEX, Doc J.
Yeah.
Garcia down the gut of the defense, took the contact, delivered the deuce. He'll have a bonus shot.
That's such a big thing for Phoenix. Napako na sila sa 45, but the veteran comes through and maybe can give them a 3.
One-point shooting shot from the 3-point line. Ngayon titira na. Excellent setup from Berto. 9-0 start para sa NLEX to retake control of the game. Para kay Watkins, that's a bone-crunching pick, Dr. J. And Berto will get the 3-point play opportunity. Grabe yung pick ng Watkins. Kala ko natanggal yung ulo eh.
Right now.
Smith off the secondary, ran straight back into the chest of Watkins. Sabi ni Watkins, ba't yun hindi mo dinili yung game? Ito my mouth kasi. Got enough time for a heave. Cyrus puts it up.
Yes!
Timing it perfectly to end this 3rd frame. This is going to be a great...
Ibang-iba yung laro niya. Another 3-point shot in the money.
Herndon burning the nets in Antipolo. And 17 bigla ang abante ng NLEX.
Lumabas ready. Like come back here.
Policarpio with a hoop in the arm. And he's at it. Ang ganda rin ang nilalaro ni Bowling ngayong gabi.
Yeah. You have to realize that he loves to put the ball on the floor. And he used...
Rivero.
That's where he's very good at.
That's gonna count para kay Richie.
Driving strong to the basket on off the rebound play.
Pang-5 foul na ba to para kay Semeral? 1 points para kay Berto. Step back 3. The Sicario! Berto Bowling! Kinindatan pa si Doc.
You know why?
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo.